What's up guys, it's WRETCHVAGA here and I'm back again with another tutorial, and this tutorial is about an issue that I've just been having. Like, bro, I had this issue I think yesterday, not yesterday, a couple of days ago, and I've not been able to figure it out. Basically, all my footage or my sequence on my Premiere Pro timeline is just sped up, it's just not working, and I'm going to show you how to fix this problem right now. Basically, loading up Premiere Pro. Let's go. Taking a while. Damn. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, how was your... Please tell me of any more issues you guys are having in the description. So while my sequence is going crazy, it's going mad, I'm racking my brain. Oh, why is this? What happened? Will I have to delete my progress and start over? Oh no, oh no, oh no. I close the program and reopen it and it's just not working. I'm like, what am I gonna do? I reboot my PC, everything not working. Going Google, this didn't even have, and maybe I'm just not wording it properly, didn't have what I needed. But then this guy, the same with Grace, he literally, I found this video. Basically the error is known as the timeline glitch or the sequence glitch on Premiere Pro, and he showed me. So I was like, you know what, yeah, I'm just going to, you know, do a video on it while I have the issue too. So now I'm here, I'm showing you, and this is how you fix it. So what you have to do is, when you're having this problem right here, you got to go to your file, yep, and then you go to preferences, and then you go to audio hardware, right? Why is it? Okay, audio hardware, and you go to default settings, and then you change this input to no input, your microphone input to no input, yes, and that's okay. And for some strange reason, you know, it starts working. The sequence starts working as normal. Yeah, it starts working as normal, and that is basically how you do it. And let me know of anything else you want me to figure out for you, and tutorials you want me to do. And thank you for watching. Bye. Appreciate it. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and join the Discord and all that. I appreciate it very much.